What the rebels wanted won. The rebel leaders issued proclamations and ishtahars, for instance the Azamgarh Proclamation on 25th August 1857. They tried to elicit support of all sections of the society, regardless of their caste and creed. The rebellion was perceived as a war in which Hindus and Muslims, both the communities, could lose or gain equally. The ishtihars were reminiscents of the pre-British Hindu-Muslim past. The proclamation, issued under the name of Bahadur Shah, exhorted people to join the struggle under the standards of both Muhammad and Mahavir. No religious disparity was observed between the two communities prior to 1857. Despite British attempts to create differences, the rebel actualized their vision of unity. The proclamation absolutely rejected everything associated with the British rule, Firangi Raj. They censored the British for their annexations and dishonoring the treaties they signed. The rebels declared that the British were not worthy of trust. The British land revenue settlements or systems had ousted landlords. Foreign commerce had destroyed the weavers and artisans. British rule was alleged to have destroyed a way of life that was familiar and age-old. The rebels wanted to restore their previous life and also wanted their source of livelihood to be secure.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.